Okay guys, I got computer set up and I was doing some tinkering with it, and I may have found I found two culprits that lead to the problem. Okay, the power board is getting continuity in it, it's powering it but it's not powering the backlights. I'll show you in a minute if y'all can see it. Got my really bright LED flashlight. See? Y'all probably can't see it. You see, there's a start button right there. Start button, Internet Explorer. Remove. There's the Windows logo. I'm sliding my light across the monitor. I'm sliding my light across the monitor, and it's getting picture but no light, so it's probably either a bad power supply or bad backlight. So I'm gonna probably do some power supply work to it, maybe resolder the caps, maybe a solder connection came loose somewhere. Maybe we'll get lucky. So okay, well, I'll see y'all guys later.